who's hungry? I am. I'm starving, actually. We're gonna make this a little bit of a meal. Like the new filming setup? The microphone? We are professionals. Yeah, we are. My chicken's also about to go bad, so we are, yeah. It's not bad yet, I promise. So, from discount store, I got, let me come to you. I got this for 99 cents. P.F. Chang's spicy chicken. The ingredients are as follows. Right there. Pause if you need to. But it seems that it is all ingredients that is safe for me to eat, so I want to give it a try. But I have a sneaking suspicion that, as with most packaged sauces, I don't love it. So I have some backup ingredients here. I also have a sneaking suspicion that this isn't going to be enough sauce for the amount of chicken that we have here.